Mabuhay! Welcome to Bonjour Universe. This is your cozy corner of the internet where we explore everything under the sun, from French lessons to unboxings or sometimes simple science explanations. So, ngayon, pag-usapan natin or dagdagan natin ang inyong vocabulary. Now, let's focus on the bedroom. Okay, or in French, it's la chambre à coucher. La chambre à coucher. Now, first up is the furniture. Pag-usapan natin. Ang bed or kama is le lit. Le lit. Mattress, le matelas. Le matelas. Hindi masyadong pinopronounce or hindi binibigas yung E. So, mabilis siya. Le matelas. Next up is pillow. Unan. L'oreiller. L'oreiller. So this is a masculine word. L'oreiller. Next up we have blanket. La couverture. La couverture. So kumot is la couverture. Next up we have bolster. It's le traversin. Le traversin. Bolster, ito yung tinatawag natin or siya yung hotdog na unan. Siya yung unan na mahaba na gustong-gusto nating inaakap lagi. So, in English, it's bolster. And in French, it's le traversin. Next up is headboard. It's it's la tête de lit. La tête de lit. Headboard. Bed base or yung frame ng kama. It's le sommier. Le sommier. Okay. Now we have the storage and organizations. Now we have the dresser. Okay. It's la commode. La commode. Wardrobe or closet is l'armoire. L'armoire. So it's a feminine word. Now, meron tayo dito ang nightstand. It's la table de chevet. La table de chevet. So ito yung cabinet sa tabi ng kama. La table de chevet. Next up is drawer. Le tiroir. Le tiroir. So, yun yung bawat drawer, yun yung tawag sa kanya, tiroir. Kapag yung buo naman is la commode. Next up is the shelf. L'étagère. L'étagère. So, it's a feminine. Bakit ko ba ini-indicate kung feminine siya or masculine? Para mas masanay tayo at mas malaman natin siya. Kasi, what if hindi mo gagamitin yung le, la, le? Gamitin mo yung un. So, malalaman mo, ito ay un étagère. Okay. So, next is accessories and decor sa loob ng kwarto. Unang-una, yung lamp or floor lamp is, pwedeng tawagin natin is la lampe or le lampadaire. Le lampadaire. Curtain. It's le rideau. Le rideau. Rug or yung carpet. Le tapis. Le tapis. Mirror. Le miroir. Le miroir. Alarm clock. Okay, lahat tayo kailangan yan. It's le réveil. Le réveil. Bedside lamp or ito yung nasa ibabaw ng table. It's la lampe de chevet. La lampe de chevet. Okay, so that's it. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo and may natutunan kayo na bagong vocabulary. And don't forget to take at least a pause. Okay? Hindi naman kailangan lahat alam mo na. And that's it. Don't forget to share it to your friends na nag-aaral din ng French para lahat tayo sabay-sabay matuto. And don't forget, take one bonjour at a time. Bye!